morning everybody. Let us here we discussing this what are reactions of alcohols. So that is what reactions of alcohols. This is what a halogenating reagent. What is that halogenating reagent. अब यहाँ पे हमको रिएक्शन करना है हेलोजन अल्कोहल का किसके साथ हेलोजेनेटिंग रिएजेंट के साथ किसका साथ हेलोजेनेटिंग रिएजेंट. Suppose we are having this alcohol as a starting reactant molecule. This we are going to the writing the general reaction is here. So what is the general reaction is that alcohol is treated with what a PCl3 phosphorus trichloride. If we are the reacted in presence of DCM as organic solvent. यहाँ पे अल्कोहल 3 मोल लेना पड़ेगा. 3 moles of alcohol reacted PCl3. Then formation of 3 moles of RCl alkyl chloride. Here formation of 3 moles of alkyl chloride, and here again this is what formation of again H3PO3. It is the side product H3PO3. This is the side product of such types of the reaction. Formation of what alkyl chloride. I'm writing this is the formation of alkyl chloride. It is the product and the side product is what phosphorus. This is nothing but phosphoric acid. Okay. It is known as phosphorus trichloride. This is the phosphorus trichloride is reacted with what? Alcohol as a starting reactor molecule. This alcohol as a starting molecule is reacted with the phosphorus trichloride. Formation of this alkyl chloride. Here formation of alkyl chloride, it is the product, and this is reacted with alcohol. So using this is the halogenetic reagent. In what is halogenetic reagent? So we can take this particular reaction is that if we are having this CH3, CH2OH, you can take this what are types of the alcohol is here. So what is the types of the alcohol? You can use this isopropyl alcohol is also. This is the second reaction is what? It is reacted with the PCl3 in the presence of 3 moles of PCl3. Sorry, here the 3 moles of alcohol, 3 moles of alcohol. It is reacted with the phosphorus trichloride in presence of DCM as organic solvent. Then whatever this formation of the generation of this is nothing but CH3, CH2Cl. Here we got the formation of the isopropyl chloride from the isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl chloride, it is nothing but what N-propyl chloride. This is the N-propyl chloride. This reactor, this is formation of the product. Isopropyl chloride is the product. This is the 3 moles of product. Side product is H3PO3. Here also side product is H3PO3. This is nothing but a side product phosphoric acid. So this one is the reaction. This is the reaction formation of the alkyl chloride from alcohol. Formation of the alkyl chloride from alcohol. This is the N-propyl chloride. This is isopropyl chloride. From starting from this is the N-propyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. This is nothing but isopropyl alcohol. So this is one of the halogenating reagent using the phosphorus trichloride. So instead of phosphorus trichloride, if the second reaction, that reaction with what PCl5. Suppose the reactant having this is the alcohol, it is reacted with the PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Then whatever in presence of DCM as the organic solvent, their formation of the RCl alkyl chloride. So their alkyl chloride again what I can see formation of this water. So how many this is the PO again the phosphorus POCl3. This is our generation of the POCl3 phosphorus 1 oxygen 1 Cl3. यहाँ पे क्लोरीन एटम कितने हैं 5 है. कितने हो गए 1 + 3 + 1 4 हो गए. यहाँ पे अगेन साइड प्रोडक्ट क्या आएगा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. So this is the generation of the alkyl chloride from alcohol. This is nothing but a general reaction. This is the general reaction of the starting from alcohol. It is reacted with the phosphorus. What is the name? This is nothing but phosphorus what pentachloride. Starting this is the phosphorus pentachloride. It is reacted with what alcohol. Alcohol is reacted with the phosphorus pentachloride in presence of DCM as organic solvent. Formation of the alkyl chloride and side product is what phosphorus oxychloride. If you reacted with the same types of the reactant molecule, this is the alcohol. Again you can take this is the types of the isopropyl alcohol. So starting reactant molecule is the isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol. this is reacted with what of phosphorus pentachloride. If you reacted the reaction is that of PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride, and here in the presence of DCM as the organic solvent, using the DCM as the organic solvent. So what is the types of the product? This is the OH is replaced by Cl. It is nothing but substitution types of the reaction. Formation of ethyl chloride from ethyl alcohol, formation of the isopropyl chloride from isopropyl alcohol. This is the side product is nothing but POCl3. It is formation of POCl3 and hydrochloric acid. It is the again what a side product is here, hydrogen chloride. So this is the formation of the ethyl chloride and isopropyl chloride, starting from ethyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol. This is one of the reactions of phosphorus pentachloride of this one alcohol to alkyl chloride by using the halogenetic reagent phosphorus pentachloride. The next reaction we will go through, this is the reaction with thionyl chloride. Among this is the halogenetic reagent what SOCl2. I am writing this is the reaction with what thionyl chloride. And this is nothing but what thionyl chloride. Suppose if we are having this is the general reaction is that what is the general reaction? If we have the starting reactant is alcohol again, it is reacted with SOCl2 thionyl chloride. Again the solvent is can DMSO or DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide or dichloromethane. So this type of the solvent is used starting from alcohol. So what happened? Very simple reaction. OH is replaced by Cl. So again the substitution types of the reaction. देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? This OH is replaced by Cl. यहाँ पे formation होगा RCl. This is nothing but alkyl what chloride. यहाँ पे generate होगा alkyl chloride. So this is what is the left is here SO2 sulfur dioxide and again what hydrogen from here and chlorine from here. It is nothing but what a hydrogen chloride. It is a side product again sulfur dioxide. This is formation of what alkyl chloride. The starting this product is nothing but what a alkyl chloride starting from alcohol by using what a thionyl chloride. This is using what a thionyl chloride. So this is one of the preparation methods of alkyl chloride. Or you can say this is reaction. Actually this is one of the reactions of the alcohol with halogenetic reagent. यहाँ पे हम जनरल रिएक्शन हमने यहाँ पे देखा. So particular reaction हम इसकी particular reaction की बात करेंगे. Suppose if we are having the isopropyl alcohol starting reactant, if you are going to take this is the types of the compound. This is nothing but benzyl alcohol. It is reacted with the SOCl2 thionyl chloride in presence of DCM as the organic solvent. The same reaction condition will be this is the SOCl2 and the DCM dichloromethane as the organic solvent. Then what happens? The generation of this is the chlorine molecule. Here the benzyl alcohol, it is going to the formation of benzyl chloride. Again the side product is nothing but SO2 sulfur dioxide. Here the sulfur dioxide. HCl hydrochloric acid, again what hydrochloric acid. So this is the product from the starting reactant in the nirvana isopropyl alcohol. It is nothing but what benzyl alcohol. What is that? Benzyl alcohol. So this is the starting reactant molecule, formation of isopropyl alcohol and benzyl chloride. So starting from this benzyl alcohol and isopropyl alcohol, this is one of the reactions of alcohol. यहाँ पे और एक reaction हम देखेंगे. So this is the reaction with the red phosphorus. This is the next one reaction. Part of this is alcohol. A reaction with what? Reaction with अल्कोहल का रिएक्शन हम देख रहे हैं. रिएक्शन विद वाटर X2 विद वाटर रेड फास्फोरस. इसके साथ हमको रिएक्शन करना है. वेरी सिंपल सब्स्टिट्यूशन टाइप्स का रिएक्शन यहाँ पे होगा. देखो स्टार्टिंग रिएक्टर मॉलिक्यूल हम लेंगे. दैट इज वाटर जनरल रिएक्शन अल्कोहल. इट इज रिएक्टेड विद X2 देन X2 दिस वाटर हाइड्रोजन इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ द रेड फास्फोरस. यहाँ पे कैटलिस्ट बोल के यूज होगा. सो फॉर्मेशन क्या होगा? RX इज हियर. सो दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट अल्कील हालाइड. तो ये भी एक क्या हुआ? हेलोजेनेटिक रिएजेंट हुआ. किसके साथ? रेड फास्फोरस कैटलिस्ट के साथ. चलो यहाँ पे हम जनरल रिएक्शन देखेंगे. इफ वी आर हैविंग दिस आइसोप्रोपिल अल्कोहल और सेकेंडरी ब्यूटिल अल्कोहल, नॉट ओनली आइसोप्रोपिल ऑलवेज बट आल्सो यू कैन टेक एनी टाइप्स. यू कैन टेक दिस इज द ब्रोमीन मॉलिक्यूल इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ रेड फास्फोरस एज द कैटलिस्ट. वेरी सिंपल. OH is replaced by bromine atom. Then formation of this types of the product is nothing but what? This starting from this is nothing but what? What is the nothing but secondary cone butyl, secondary butyl alcohol. The starting reactant molecule is secondary butyl alcohol. It is going to the formation of secondary butyl what? Bromide. Secondary butyl bromide starting from secondary butyl alcohol. So can take not only these types of aliphatic, also you can take this is a cyclic compound, as well you can take this aromatic compound. This cyclic compound is OH. It is what using the red phosphorus. Red phosphorus in presence of this is the bromine molecule. You have choline bromine in the presence of red phosphorus. So there is formation of what? Cyclohexanol 2 order cyclo. That is nothing but a cyclohexyl bromide. यहाँ पे हमारा प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा. So this is one of the second types of the reaction. Second reaction of this order red phosphorus. यहाँ पे पहला reaction किया, दूसरा reaction किया. So these are the halogenating reagent. PCl5, PCl3, SOCl2, again halogen and red phosphorus. यहाँ पे अल्कोहल से प्रोडक्ट हमारा फॉर्म होता है अल्किल हैलाइड. ओके.